Wheelchair users are often humiliated, injured, and left stranded at airports. Each year, airlines are fined millions of dollars for failing disabled passengers. Despite the punishment, things haven't changed. In fact, the nightmare is more common than you think. While you can't help airlines mend their ways, you can sure be better prepared ahead of your trip. If you or a loved one relies on a wheelchair, knowing how to get wheelchair assistance at the airport isn't just helpful, it could be the difference between a smooth journey and a dangerous disaster. Let's find out more. Request assistance early. Don't wait until you're at the airport. You should notify your airline that you need assistance ideally when booking your ticket, and no later than 48 hours before your flight. Pre-booking guarantees better service and shorter wait times. You can do this over the phone, through the airline's website, or via a travel agent. Here's the thing to note. There is no single, universal contact that covers all airlines. Wheelchair assistance in the U.S. is an airline-managed responsibility, mandated by the Air Carrier Access Act, ACAA. When a passenger with a disability requests assistance from an airline to move through the airport, the airline is required to promptly provide it. Each airline handles this through its own Special Assistance Accessibility Team. Always request wheelchair assistance through the Manage My Booking section online or by calling the airline's customer service number. What happens at the airport? Once you arrive, head straight to your airline's check-in desk or a dedicated special assistance call point. An attendant will meet you with an airport-provided wheelchair and manage your transit through the terminal. From there, you will be helped from the check-in counter to security, where a staff member will assist you in navigating through security screenings. You may go through a slightly modified screening process, but TSA staff are trained to handle it respectfully. Boarding and connecting flights, you will usually be among the first to board. Boarding is typically done using an aisle wheelchair, a narrow chair that fits the aircraft aisle. Got a connecting flight? No worries. If you have connecting flights, separate assistance will be arranged in the connecting airport. Just make sure the airline has it on file before you fly. Know your right? It's free. Here's something many people don't realize. According to the Department of Transportation guidance, passengers must not be charged for the transport of wheelchairs or mobility aids. New DOT regulations now require airlines to properly train workers who assist passengers with disabilities, so the system has stronger accountability than ever before. Remember, traveling should never feel like a battle. By clearly understanding how to get wheelchair assistance at the airport, you can fly with confidence and zero guesswork. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more accessible travel tips.